So, you want to transfer all of your Apple Watch 9 data from your old iPhone to your new iPhone 15 Pro Max. But maybe you don't have your old iPhone with you anymore. But don't be worried, because in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to backup and transfer all your old Apple Watch 9 data without the old iPhone to your new one. First, we need to reset or erase all data of our Apple Watch. And as we don't have our old iPhone, we will open all apps, go to Settings, then General. From there, scroll all the way down and select Reset. Then erase all content and settings. Now make sure you have your Apple ID password, because erasing all data will turn on activation lock. After making sure all of this, let's tap on Erase. Now our Apple Watch will start resetting, and when it's done, we'll boot up in the setup screen. So let's take our iPhone 15 Pro Max and repair our Apple Watch 9. We'll open the Watch app. From there, tap on Start Pairing, Setup for myself. Now we'll choose Manual, tap on the info icon on the watch, and then select the watch name. You'll see a verification code on your Apple Watch, so we'll enter it here. Then our Apple Watch will be paired after a few seconds. Now that your Apple Watch is paired, from this screen, you need to tap on Restore from Backup. And if you had previous watches, then you'll see multiple backups. From there, you need to choose the one that you want. You can look at the date or time to verify which one is the newest or which one is the oldest. And from here, we'll look for our Apple Watch 9 and the most recent backup, which is in our case, yesterday's backup. After you've selected it, tap on Continue. And from here, just set up your watch as usual. When it's finished, all the data and customizations of your Apple Watch 9 will be restored to your new iPhone 15 Pro, and it will look exactly the same. So that's how easily you can recover or restore your Apple Watch 9 data to a newer iPhone. If you found this helpful, do let us know, and we'll be back with more.